Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
After spending the last few days with the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, I found myself constantly going back to its spec sheet. On paper, the Pro Max seems like it should be the sweet spot of the lineup, sitting comfortably between the standard models and the Ultra. But after using it extensively, I honestly feel Huawei has brought many of the flagship-level features that traditionally belong to the Ultra series directly into this device. What stands out isn't just the huge leap in camera technology. The chipset, display, and Huawei's completely reimagined approach to selfies all combine to make this one of the most forward-thinking smartphones available today.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before we dive into performance and imaging, let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that catches your attention. The version I have is called Orange C. If you're familiar with sports car design, you'll know that premium supercars are all about the interplay of light, shadow, and flowing lines. The moment I picked up this phone, it gave me a similar impression. Take a closer look at the Orange C finish, and you'll notice it's much more than a simple blend of orange and blue. Instead, it creates a natural, vacation-inspired color palette that feels artistic and refreshing. At first, I wasn't completely sold on the combination. It seemed a little bold to me. But that changed during a recent business trip to Ningbo. One evening, I witnessed a beautiful sunset. As I pulled out the Pura 90 Pro Max, everything suddenly made sense. The colors on the back panel mirrored the scene in front of me, the blue sky and water gradually transitioning into the warm glow of the setting sun. It instantly brought to mind the feeling of driving along a coastal road at dusk, watching the sun disappear beyond the horizon. That emotional connection is what makes the design special. Instead of feeling like a cold piece of glass or ceramic, the phone feels more like a stylish accessory with personality and warmth. And what's impressive is that this premium feel isn't achieved by flashy tricks. Huawei equips the Pura 90 Pro Max with anti-reflective, scratch-resistant Kunlun glass on the front. It does an excellent job reducing screen reflections, and when compared side by side with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which also features an anti-reflective treatment, the difference is easy to notice. Huawei has also introduced a new feature called the Boundless Light theme. When the display is locked and illuminated, a long press creates a translucent visual effect that makes the phone appear almost like a sheet of glass in your hand. It's a genuinely futuristic and almost dreamlike experience. Now let's move on to the camera system. With the Pura 90 series, Huawei introduces a new concept known as X-Mage Selfie. A lot of people wonder what separates selfie experience from traditional photography. The simplest way to explain it is this. AI combined with a car creates autonomous driving, while AI combined with photography creates what Huawei calls selfie photography. The key difference lies in how seamlessly Huawei blends software intelligence with optical hardware. Think about driving in the past. You had to monitor mirrors, manage acceleration, control braking, and handle everything yourself. That's manual driving. With autonomous driving, it's like having a highly experienced driver sitting beside you, taking care of the complicated tasks while you focus on the road ahead. Photography follows a similar idea. Traditionally, capturing a great image meant adjusting shutter speed, finding the right lighting, composing the frame, focusing accurately, and then spending additional time editing afterward. That's manual photography. With X-Mage Selfie, it feels as though a professional photographer and photo editor are built directly into your phone. Take portrait photography, for example. In the past, when a guy was taking photos of a girl, the typical instruction was simply 1, 2, 3, smile. The results often looked ordinary and lacked personality. If the subject already knew how to pose, the photos might turn out well. If not, getting a truly attractive shot could be challenging. Now, all you need to do is activate the AI Pose Recommendation feature. The phone intelligently analyzes the environment and the subject's outfit and then suggests poses that are likely to look best in that specific situation. What makes it even more impressive is that these suggestions aren't stiff or repetitive templates. They feel natural, energetic, and visually engaging, almost like having your own personal posing coach with you. From there, you simply follow the guidance displayed in the viewfinder, help the subject recreate the suggested pose, and press the shutter button. Within minutes, you can capture eye-catching photos that look professionally planned and are ready to earn plenty of compliments on social media.
A big part of this experience comes from the Kirin 9030S chipset, which was specifically developed with intelligent imaging in mind. It delivers a major breakthrough at the core level, allowing the camera system to perform at an entirely new standard. Combined with Huawei's Red Wind primary color lens technology, the phone achieves outstanding color accuracy and image quality that easily ranks among the best in the industry. One of the most impressive hardware highlights is the 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor telephoto camera found on the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max. This powerful setup doesn't just produce sharp and stable zoom photos. Even when recording video at 20x zoom, the footage remains remarkably clean, steady, and detailed. The performance becomes even more impressive in challenging situations with complicated lighting conditions, especially during nighttime stage performances. Whether it's the natural reproduction of skin tones or the vibrant colors of stage lighting, the results are genuinely impressive. In fact, all of the photos you've seen throughout this video were captured using the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, and every single shot turned out exceptionally well. That's really the beauty of Huawei's new selfie concept. It understands photography, but more importantly, it understands the person behind the camera. If you watched Huawei's launch event, you'll probably remember the new 3D dynamic photo feature. In the past, dynamic photos were essentially limited to a two-dimensional experience. Now, Huawei has taken a significant step forward by bringing those images into a three-dimensional world. For example, I recently captured a model jumping with excitement. What amazed me was how the perspective appeared to move around the subject, almost as if the camera itself was circling them. The resulting effect created a level of visual impact that simply wasn't possible on previous smartphones. It felt like time had been frozen at the perfect moment. This is exactly why so many people refer to Huawei as the king of mobile photography. The experience is nothing short of breathtaking. Earlier, I mentioned that the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max is powered by the Kirin 9030S processor. Naturally, some people are curious about its performance. After using the device heavily over the past few days, I can confidently say that Huawei's software optimization deserves serious credit. The HarmonyOS ecosystem has matured significantly. It's no longer just functional, it has become genuinely enjoyable to use. Thanks to the combination of the Kirin 9030S and the deep optimization within HarmonyOS 6.1, the overall experience feels incredibly fluid and responsive. This smoothness goes far beyond benchmark numbers. What you're experiencing is the result of hardware and software working together seamlessly in every aspect, creating an experience that feels effortlessly fast. Whether you're playing demanding games or navigating environments with crowded networks and complicated signal conditions, such as shopping centers or subway stations, the responsiveness remains consistently impressive. Since we're talking about connectivity, it's worth mentioning that strong signal performance has always been one of Huawei's strengths. The company's well-known 5A signal rating isn't just a marketing slogan. Take a simple real-world situation as an example. Imagine trying to scan a QR code and make a payment in an underground parking garage. While my friend's iPhone 17 Pro Max struggled to establish a connection, my Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max completed the payment almost instantly. Of course, my friend couldn't resist joking that the phone's signal was excellent, even if the price wasn't exactly cheap. Looking at the complete package, you'll quickly realize that even though the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max doesn't carry the Ultra branding, the photography capabilities, design sophistication, and intelligent shooting experience go beyond what many traditional Ultra devices offer. And beyond the cameras and performance figures, this is a smartphone that feels like a true companion. It understands your habits, helps capture your memories, and makes everyday photography easier and more enjoyable. More importantly, it gives us a glimpse into where smartphones are heading in the future.
Instead of focusing purely on a battle of specifications, the next generation of devices will be defined by the fusion of intelligence, creativity, and aesthetics. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!